Hello and welcome back to Ian's Gadget. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to remove shipping bolts from your brand new washing machine. Transit bolts that come with your new washing machine are important as they keep the tab secure during a move and reduce the amount of vibration that could cause actual damage to the suspension. However, before you install your washing machine, you should make sure to remove all the shipping bolts. Now, if you do not remove these transit bolts as instructed by the manufacturer, you risk damaging your new washing machine. Using your washer with the bolts intact can result in severe vibrations and noise, which can permanently damage your washer. Most washing machines do come with a spanner to help you unfasten and remove the transit bolts. In my case, this is the kind of spanner that came with my washer. It is also helpful in case you need to adjust the stance to make your machine level so that it does not vibrate or make lots of noise. Armed with your spanner, now you just need to unfasten these transit bolts one by one. If your washing machine is wobbling, vibrating and working, it could be as a result of several issues. In this video, I will walk you through some troubleshooting and fixes that I believe could come in handy if you're experiencing such problems. 1. Leveling legs. The washing machine has leveling legs that not only support the washer, but also are adjustable to help level the machine. Now, in my case, I have recently moved the machine to a new location. The washing machine is vibrating because the floor is not leveled. So, I just use a spirit level to establish the areas where I need to adjust the machine stance to get correct levels. Luckily, my Samsung machine came with a spanner, so I just adjusted the stance a little bit to get the levels. You can also raise the machine to get access to the stands so as to adjust them accordingly. Make sure that all the leveling feet are leveled. Adjust whichever is not and run a cycle to see if the problem is resolved. Today, we are going to show you how to connect the Samsung EcoBubble 8 kg front load washing machine. Because it comes with the user manual, you can just go through the user manual. You will find all the steps to connect this machine. Yeah, but I usually advise sometimes it's good to call in an expert to help you, because when you're connecting the inlet, the water inlet, and also the outlet drain pipe, you might need a plumber. So like in my case, I brought in my plumber for many years. There is, can say hi.
Hi viewers, my name is Patrick Okwaro. I'm a plumber.
Yeah, he's the plumber. He's the one who did this house from ground floor first to second floor. Yes. He also did the solar installation, so he's a pro. So I wanted him to come in and help me because we wanted to fix this thing permanently. Okay. So now this is the drain pipe, and this one here is the water inlet. Yeah. So this one is just connected. Yeah, like that. And so now this one will be the draining part. Okay, so this one, just move here like this. Then, we don't have a screw type tab, so it's going to make to connect one for us.
Yeah.
Then it will be permanent, so that when you want water, we just open the water, it comes with the machine. When you want to drain, you just drain automatically. That's it. So now my technician is going to, my plumber is going to connect the drain pipe and also the water source. And from there, I think we're good to go. So that is the screw type tap that the plumber connected for us, and as you can see, you can now turn on and off the water. Okay, that's good. And the drain pipe, okay, that's the drain pipe. Just show them. Yeah, that's the drain pipe, you can see.
Yeah.
So now all the waste will just go automatically straight. Yeah. So there won't be issues with waste, or you keep looking for how to drain, or you don't have to go to the toilet or the sinks. Now this is just like a permanent connection, which is good. And you see everything is good now. So anytime you want to open water, just open from there.
Just open.
Yeah, and then close.
Closed.
Yeah. So that's the connection, which is complete. Okay. You see how the place still looks decent. Yeah. See, it's closed over there. As you can see, now our machine is completely connected. But you see, you have to ensure that these ones are tight to avoid spillage. So, as you can see, this is our water source, and this is the drain pipe. They've already been connected. Then now, the next step is now to insert this, the mains, and it's advisable to use one out of the socket for the machine. So you switch on, but before you do anything with this machine, it is recommended to run calibration. Now, calibration ensures accurate weight detection by the machine. That's why it's important when you're running this calibration, you run it without anything inside, so that it can detect the weight moving forward. So you switch off the power, then you switch on the power again. After that, you hold the temp and delay and key simultaneously for 3 seconds. After that, the machine enters the CB mode. You press the start-stop button. So you have to be patient. Let it just rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise, and it usually takes 3 minutes. Then after that, you will have calibrated your machine, and your machine will be ready to use. So you see it's rotating, as you can see. Let's see. Okay. Then now anti-clockwise. That's it, you can hear the beep. Now the machine is ready for use. That's it, guys. your Samsung EcoBubble 8kg front load washing machine is now ready for use. So guys, we've come to the end of our video. Now if you found it helpful, kindly like and share with your friends so they can also benefit. Also, you can subscribe to my channel so you get to know when I post more gadget videos. Until then, in the next video, bye bye.